What's up YouTube, Arvl here. Welcome to the Bilingual Stock Market channel again. In this channel we talk about the stock market and we do it in two different languages, English and Spanish. So if English is not your cup of tea, you can also watch this very same video narrated by me in Spanish. And in this video, and as we do it Mondays through Thursdays, I want to make a quick stock market update going over what happened today in the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, which are the most important indices of the United States stock market. And at the end of the video, I will be breaking down from a technical standpoint the three stocks that will be on the top of my watch list for tomorrow's trading session. And before starting the video, I want to tell you that tomorrow and Wednesday I am going to be out of town, so we won't be able to post our regular market updates in the next 2 days. However, I will be back on Thursday and I will see you guys again next Thursday right after the market closes. So let's get started. And today we had a green day all across the board. Both Dow Jones and S&P 500 go to new all-time highs today. Nasdaq 100 also up 2.02%, S&P 500 up 1.88%, Russell 2000 also up 0.48%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average also went up today 1.16%. However, guys, there is something very worrisome over here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the S&P 500. Take a look at the RSI on the 4-hour chart of the S&P 500, 76 points. We are, from a technical standpoint, due for a pullback here, no doubt about it. So I am going to pull up here the 1-hour chart and what could potentially happen tomorrow. If we happen to see a pullback in the S&P 500, the first foreseeable level of support for this index is going to be 4,021 points, which acted as a resistance last Friday. If that support happens to be broken to the downside, then the next foreseeable level of support is going to be 39.82, which already acted as a resistance in 1, 2, 3, and 4 opportunities before. To the upside, this is anyone's guess. 4,100, 4,120, 4,150, but take a look at the RSI, guys. This isn't healthy. I think that we are due for a pullback and we'd better get a pullback tomorrow or Wednesday, all right, the very latest. So let's see how everything plays out for the bulls in the S&P 500. And when it comes to the Nasdaq 100, we have the very same scenario. So let me pull up here the 4-hour chart of the NDX. And in the case of this index, take a look at the RSI on the 4-hour chart, 75 points. We need a pullback here, guys. And if I zoom in on the 4-hour chart, what could potentially happen here tomorrow in the Nasdaq 100? So if we happen to see a pullback, the first important level of support for the bulls is going to be 13,442 points or 13,450 points, which already acted as a resistance back on, this was February 22nd and also on January 21st. If that level of support happens to be broken to the downside, then the next foreseeable level of support for the bulls is going to be 13,300 points, which already acted as a resistance for the bulls in 1, 2, and 3 opportunities before. On the flip side, to the upside, then the next level, the next important level of resistance for the bulls is going to be 13,689 points, which already acted as a resistance for the bulls in 1, 2, and 3 opportunities before. But in my opinion, this index is extremely overheated and we'd better get a pullback sooner rather than later. Okay, that's just my humble opinion. And the first stock of this video is going to be Nndm Technologies, ticker symbol Nndm. In the case of Nndm, it went down today 1.80% and it closed today's trading session at $8.18. And on the 4-hour chart, we can see a nasty chart, guys. Nndm isn't looking any good from a technical standpoint. We have a clear downtrend channel, and as of now, Nndm is trading almost 55% of its highs. So I have two plans over here basically. I would like to pick up a bunch of shares of Nndm to take a swing trade if Nndm happens to drop down to $7.76. $7.76 already acted as a support for Nndm in 1, 2, and 3 opportunities before, but it also acted as a resistance back on December 4th of last year. So if I pick up a bunch of shares of Nndm at $7.60 and I ride them up to the next foreseeable level of resistance at around $9.79, we are looking at a 22% profit. A very but very solid profit over here. $9.79 or $10 per share already acted as a very strong level of resistance for Nndm by the end of December of last year. So it is supposed to provide a very important level of resistance if visited or whenever Nndm pulls up to that price. Another possible scenario in the case of Nano Dimension Technologies would be a momentum play. Because if Nano Dimension Technologies happens to burst above the level of resistance that I just mentioned at around $9.80 or $10, the next resistance, the next important resistance for Nndm is going to be at around $11.39, which already acted as a resistance back on January 14th. So say that you pick up, or we pick up, and remember that I am not a financial advisor, guys. If any of you wants to take a trade on Nndm, you have to do your own research work and reach your own conclusions. But say that we pick up some shares of Nndm as a momentum play at $10.20, and we sell those shares at $11.39. We are looking at a 11% profit. That's a very solid profit. So watch out for Nano Dimension Technologies tomorrow, either visiting the $7.76 per share or bursting above $9.80 or $10 per share. And the second stock of this video is going to be good old Beyond Meat, BYND. And in the case of BYND, it went up today 0.16%, and it closed today's trading session at $131.59. And this is an easy one, guys. This is a no-brainer. Please, Beyond Meat, give me $125. Please, I'm begging. Please, come on. $125 already acted as a support in the case of Beyond Meat in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 times before. So this is a no-brainer, guys. $125 is definitely a buying zone in the case of Beyond Meat, and my price target is going to be the next important level of resistance for Beyond Meat, which is going to be $135 per share. So buying shares at $125 and selling those shares at $135, we are looking at a almost 7% profit. $135 is going to be a very important level of resistance in the case of Beyond Meat, because it already acted as a support in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times before, but it also acted as an important level of resistance for Beyond Meat back on August 27th and during the first days of September of last year. So BYND, guys, $125. That price, in my opinion, is a steal. And the third and last stock of this video is going to be Arvl Group, ARVL. Is going to be the ticker symbol. And in the case of Arvl Group, I am going to pull up here the 5-day, 5-minute chart. So in the case of this stock, you guys know that this is a company that is based in the United Kingdom, but they recently announced that they are coming to the US. They will actually have their headquarters here in the city of Charlotte, the city in which I live. their headquarters is actually going to be like 15 or 20 minutes away from my place. And remember, guys, that here CCIV, which was a special purpose acquisition company, merged with Arvl Group. So Arvl Group has been trading with this ticker symbol ARVL for something like 6 or 7 days. And most importantly, this company is coming to the US because they supposedly have a pre-order from UPS, the United Parcel Service, to manufacture for them 10,000 electric vans. This company, as I said before, is based in the United Kingdom, and they manufacture electric buses and electric vans. So if this rumor of UPS supposedly going to order 10,000 electric vans happens to be confirmed, oh boy, this stock is going to go to the moon. Mark my words. Just saying, okay? I actually, by the way, purchased some shares today of Arvl Group. I purchased 80 shares at $15.03, and as of now I have here a small unrealized gain of $50.19. So what's my plan when it comes to Arvl Group? Take a look at this. I would like to purchase more shares of this stock at $15. If tomorrow or the next day Arvl Group happens to visit again the $15, which was a level of support that Arvl found today, so it is going to be making a double bottom, guys, because today Arvl Group held $14.95. I almost caught the very bottom in this purchase, right? So if we have a double bottom, and remember that I have told you in several opportunities that the double bottom is a bullish pattern because it suggests a change of trend. So say that tomorrow Arvl Group happens to visit again the $15 and it finds a good support over there. I am going to purchase more shares of Arvl Group at $15, and in that case my price target is going to be the next foreseeable level of resistance for Arvl Group at around $17 per share already acted as a resistance in the case of Arvl Group in 1 and 2 opportunities before, but it also acted as a support for Arvl back on March 30th, all right? So that's my first plan. Picking up more shares at $15 and selling those shares or the shares that I have at $17. However, I'm thinking, guys, that if Arvl Group happens to break this downtrend channel that you guys can see here on the 5-day, 5-minute, by bursting above $17, this could very well be a momentum play. So if Arvl happens to break $17 to the upside, I will be probably picking up more shares of this stock, and in that case my price target is going to be $19.58. In that case, and if this trade is taken as a momentum play, we are looking at an 11% profit. And mind you, $19.58 already acted as a resistance for Arvl Group in 2 opportunities. One, 2, and 3 opportunities before. So this is going to be a tough spot for the bulls in the case of Arvl Group. So watch out for this stock, either visiting again the $15 and holding that price as a lower support, or bursting above $17 per share, in which case this could very well be a momentum play. And with Arvl Group, I am going to wrap up the video. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for hanging out with me once again. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button for me and consider subscribing to the channel, and remember to activate the notification bell. Remember, guys, we are posting these stock market update videos Mondays through Thursdays, even though we won't be able to post these videos in the next 2 days. But if you want to get our notifications in a timely manner, you'd better be subscribed to the channel. Follow us on Instagram as well at Bilingual stock market. On our Instagram account, we are posting news and information on a daily basis. And remember that this is the Bilingual Stock Market channel, the YouTube channel in which we talk about the stock market, but we do it in 2 different languages, English and Spanish. But most importantly, the YouTube channel in which we know that the wonderful world of Wall Street is not for geniuses, it is for entrepreneurs just like you guys and myself. My name is Alvaro, and I will see you guys again on Thursday, right after the market closes. Peace out, enjoy the rest of your day.